Hey, welcome back to another video on my channel. People often ask me how am I able to get so many views on my videos on my both channel, Urdu as well as in English. And in this video I'm going to break down everything in detail, all you ever wanted to learn about digital marketing, social media marketing, and scaling up your YouTube channel. Because when you talk about passive income, nothing beats getting money from your YouTube channel. And this actually dawned upon me by a very pleasant accident in 2019 December when I met Imran Ali Dina, who profoundly owns GFX Mentor, one of the best graphic design teachers from Pakistan with over 1 million subscribers. So we had this chit chat while sitting on the stairs of Convention Center in Islamabad, and he highlighted the importance of having a YouTube channel, and I was like, oh, I'm on Facebook, I don't need to go to YouTube. And then he spent the next 10 minutes in selling me the importance of having a YouTube channel, and therefore you can have passive income which could grow as your YouTube channel grows. So I gave it a shot, I gave it a try in the late I guess it was third week of December, and ever since March my main YouTube channel has skyrocketed with regards to the views as well as gaining popularity, and that encouraged me to open an English channel. So without wasting time, as the title suggests, and it's pretty exciting, how am I able to get over 10 million views on my videos on my main channel? So if you search this website SocialBait and you search my channel Hisham Sarwar, and if you got your own channel, search your own channel, and you can see that videos views section I have over 10 million video views. I was actually waiting for the channel to hit the 10 million views on different videos before I could create a video and educate you about the importance of opening a YouTube channel and creating a lot of content. So first thing first, if you want to be found for search related keywords on YouTube, focus on educating your audience. So if you look at the channel type, it is how to, and how to precisely means that I'm answering a lot of questions people often ask on YouTube. How to make money as a freelancer, how to grow your YouTube channel, how to do blogging, how to create digital products, so on and so forth. So my channel is predominantly answering the questions that consist of 4 W's and 1 H. So 4 W's are what, where, when, and why, and then there's 1 H, which is how. And I'm focusing on answering the questions. That's what I'm doing on my main channel as well as on my English channel. So if I scroll down, you'll see a lot of stats here regarding the videos, regarding the views. But look at this spike that literally took off from January 20, and there was a little drop in the views in February, but again in March it picked up. So the point I want to emphasize is, if you want to make money from your YouTube channel, if you want to get a lot of viewership on your videos, you need to understand the importance of answering the questions, because people are using YouTube to get an answers to their questions. So before we jump to YouTube, I'm going to take you to my already open second tab, because I want to save your time and energy here. I've searched for digital marketing. Let's just take this as a case study and see how we can rank ourselves for digital marketing, or perhaps the suggested keywords related to digital marketing, and what are the attributes I commonly look at when I try to rank my video for a business related keyword. So as you can see, I've searched digital marketing here. On the right hand side there's a tool called Uber Suggest. I've created a video. If you can click on the iCard somewhere on the top right or top left, wherever it surfaces up, see, by moving your mouse over and it will pop up. I'm a big fan of Uber Suggest, and no, this is not a paid or a sponsored video. The reason why I'm advocating and vouching for Uber Suggest is because not only is that it has helped me in scaling up my blog beinguru.com, but also it has helped me in a long way in cementing my place for different business related keywords, be it my blog or my YouTube channel. More on that later. So on the right hand side, all the search results are fetched from a widget which I've installed on my Google Chrome. You can search for this free widget by typing in Uber Suggest Google Chrome extension, and you'll be able to download this free extension, and it will show you all the search results. So for the keyword digital marketing, here on the right hand side I see all the related keywords as well as their volume, the number of times they have searched in a month, and ST, which is predominantly known as search difficulty. Anything that falls below 30 is easily rankable. And this is an amazing tool because not only it is giving me the suggestion to pick keywords and create my content on YouTube related to these specific business related keywords, but at the same time I can also create multiple videos, and that's precisely what I have done in last 15 months. Nothing else on my both channel. As a matter of fact, the English channel is still awaiting a lot of playlist, and I'm gonna do that in the second or the third week of April. The videos are created, they are in the post-production process, and as soon as they're done, I'm gonna shoot them and upload them on my English YouTube channel. But the exercise is pretty much the same. I've searched for the business related keywords, I've searched for the other keyword ideas, and based on their moderate volume, based on their SEO difficulty, I've picked those keywords and I've started creating videos about those keywords. For example, if you notice at the right hand side, here's a digital marketing agency that is searched for around 18,000 in US alone with a SD of 29. So this keyword is pretty easy to rank. It won't be a bad idea if I create a separate video and talk about the importance of creating a digital marketing agency. And then, of course, what is digital marketing? The keyword is searched for 9,900 times. What is an average salary of digital marketer? What are the jobs for digital marketers? How can I create a digital marketing company? And the list goes on and on. What are the best digital marketing courses? So again, I would highly recommend installing this Uber Suggest widget on your Google Chrome. Perform a search activity, and based on all the suggested keywords, those who got moderate mid to high level search results performed every single month, and then of course less SEO difficulty. Anything that falls below 30 is reasonable enough to be ranked. And then on the third activity, which I typically follow, is I go to youtube.com. I want to rank my videos on YouTube, so why not search for the keyword and see if my who are my competitors to begin with, and if I already ranked for already created video. In this case, since I've created a lot of videos on digital marketing, somewhere down the road you will find me listed for this business related keyword. But assumingly I'm someone who is just diving into this niche. I have not created a video before this activity I'm about to perform, and I'm just a new entrant in this field. So what are my best options? The best options here is I need to look for, by the way, since I'm already ranked for this keyword digital marketing, there's a tool called there you go. It is an amazing tool, Vid Iq, and I'm going to talk about this in a moment. And it says that Hisham sir is one of the top channels for this search term. Of course, the language is Urdu and Hindi. So alongside, this reminds me, alongside Uber Suggest, you would also want to add Vid Iq Widget on your Google Chrome. It's a specific tool for YouTube videos that gives you the search volume, that gives you the keyword ideas, of course based on the difficulty as well, and then you can pick those keywords and create your content about. So now I'm going to take you to the actual content, and I'm going to edit it by using the two tools I've talked about. A, Uber Suggest, and the second is Vid Iq. So I've already created a video a year back about digital marketing, and the title is pretty much absurd here, which really does not make any sense, because back then I didn't know much about SEO for your YouTube video. So instead of DM, I'm going to use the word digital marketing, right? And then the title needs to inculcate the search related keywords. For example, the topic is about getting customers' response about your product for digital marketing. For your product or service can easily be replaced with business. So getting customer response about your business for effective digital marketing. So try to understand what I'm doing here. I've done the search results already, and I've found out that digital marketing is the one keyword people are looking for. Then people are also looking for effective digital marketing. So I'm gonna include these two keywords in my title. I'm gonna include these two keywords in my description as well. And there you see. I'm just gonna correct some spelling mistakes here. There you go. So once I've taken care of that, I'm gonna scroll down and I'm gonna get to the tag section. And back then, since I did not know about the importance of inserting the appropriate keywords on your specific video, so therefore tons of my videos are not even ranked. But that being said, since I've uploaded over 700 videos on my main channel, I've given myself a fair chance of a good exposure for different search keywords and being found for or being viewed for over 10 million. So I'm gonna perform this activity right here in front of you. Let's search for, as a matter of fact, I'm gonna delete all the already populated tags. I'm gonna click on refresh tags, see what Vid Iq suggests me, and Vid Iq is suggesting me to include the keyword digital marketing, social media marketing. No, I do not want to go with that. Then Neil Patel, of course, whenever there is a talk about digital marketing, Neil predominantly aces the game here. And I'm going to include the other related keywords: digital marketing course, digital marketing Hisham server, digital marketing in Urdu, digital marketing 2021. Now, since I've populated handful number of tags here, 5 precisely, I'm gonna hit the refresh tag again and see if Vid Iq is going to suggest me some more keywords. So it is asking me to put in digital marketing tutorial. Yes, of course, the video is about a tutorial. Then it is also suggesting to include a tag called what is digital marketing. I think this makes sense as well. The numbers you see on the right corner of every search tag is the ranking of that particular keyword as of now, and of course it will improve with time. And I need to continue this exercise and find better keywords. Digital marketing for lead generation. That's what the idea is. Lead generation, product review. Okay, digital marketing. That's it. I think I'm pretty comfortable with what I've done here. So customer response, efficient customer response. You're right, it makes more sense to include this keyword. Efficient customer response, getting lead for, okay, so I'm going to use lead for digital marketing. There you go. Pretty solid, right? And what else can I do here? Apart from these basic generally created populated tags, I'm going to search for some more keywords that can help me in fueling the ranking higher. So I would click on this search icon and then I would select keyword inspector. That's the Vid Iq keyword inspector. I'm going to search for my keyword digital marketing. I'm going to wait for the results as it loads, and here are all the other keywords I can include based on their search volume and based on their overall score and based on their competition. So pretty exciting, right? And I'm going to go back to the most used and I'm going to select these keywords here. So I'm going to color digital marketing skills, which makes sense. I am going to include digital marketing for beginners. That has got around 17,405 search results. Learn digital marketing. How could I even skip this? Digital marketing tutorial. What is digital marketing? And digital marketing skills demand. How to start a digital marketing agency. Digital marketing tutorial for beginners. Okay, online business. Now I probably would not go with this particular keyword. Digital marketing skills 2020. I'm trying to understand. I am actually selecting the keywords that have got low search difficulty. How to learn digital marketing skills to learn, how to start a digital marketing company. Now I'm going to copy all these to my clipboard, and once I've copied these, and hopefully I'll be able to paste them in the tag section. Let's see if I'm able to do it. And there you go. So now it tells me that I have exceeded my allotted search tags of 500 characters. So I'm gonna remove some of the tags here, product review, and just trying to get under how to start a digital marketing agency makes sense. Digital marketing skills demand. Okay, so I'm gonna remove this one, and probably how to learn digital marketing skills 2020 doesn't make any sense. How to start a digital marketing company, I think I should keep it. How to start a digital marketing agency. So I will go with agency than the company, because that's what people search for more often. And there you go. So I've got a nice number of tags populated. Everything looks good. And then I'm going to add some other aspects of the video. So I'm going to click on end screen. I'm going to add a call to action, right? And that is the call to action. So I'm going to click on the save button. And this is it. Pretty much this is it. I don't see anything else that's missing in this particular video. Looking back at the title again, digital marketing, getting customer response about your business. So how about I put in keyword digital marketing 2020, and then getting customers response about your business. And I think that's pretty much it. Everything looks good. I'm going to hit the save button. Now there's a good chance if someone searches for the keyword digital marketing 2021 or how to get your customer response and how to create a lead generation form, my video might just pop up for these business related keywords. This is how I got over 10 million views on my main channel and above 300K views on my English channel. That's the channel where you're watching this video. Go for YouTube, create your YouTube channel. One of the best source of getting a huge passive income, and over a period of time it gives you a ability not only to scale up your content creation but also grow your passive income. Till next video, bye for now.